We'll sit back. You can sit forward. See more of you. That's what people want to see. Everybody, no cooking today. This is just a call to questions, a call to comments. We will be going to be doing a question and answer video, comment video. Q&A. The sous chef wants to do one, and I thought, why don't we go and do that? But the first thing I thought was, we don't have any questions other than just random comments we've been getting on the video. So here's the formal call to arms, call to questions. Send them in the description, either via email, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, not TikTok. I'm not cool enough for that kind of stuff. So send them in. Any questions about barbecue, about our life, about the amazing things that we cook, these things that we do, and we'll answer them to the best of our ability. Anything else? No?
No.
Okay. So no cooking today. Until next time, everybody, keep barbecuing America.
And have a great day.
Cheers.